Hello everyone, today's Wednesday. This is a quick video showing you the roadmap software now available as a free trial at daytradetowin.com for NinjaTrader or TradingView. Visit daytradetowin.com to get that free trial. Before we begin, remember, trading is risky. Please don't trade with funds you cannot afford to lose. The roadmap is giving me a signal here to go short. And the reason why it's giving me a signal is because it's landing inside of this roadmap zone, hasn't gone through it, so that's really important. You can see that it hasn't gone through it, and now it's beginning to turn around. And so this gave us a signal. The roadmap is available for NinjaTrader or TradingView. Get a free trial at daytradetowin.com if you're interested in learning more about the roadmap on your charts. We really focus on the E-mini S&P, so that's what we're using. The previous signals you can see are actually pretty good. First signal here to go short on the roadmap at about 9:30 when the market opened, again at 9:45, again at 10 o'clock, and now at 10:30. So plenty of opportunities. How a lot of traders are using the roadmap is they're using it in conjunction with their own methods or with the Sonic or Trade Scalper, Atlas line, all these other methods and signals that we offer. Use it as a filter. So if you have the Sonic software and you see a signal to go long or short, make sure it's not at a roadmap zone. So the goal is to use these roadmap zones to see if the market is reversing, or if it's going through the zone, we can say that it's continuing. This trade to go short, perfectly set up, and now hit the target. So I followed the signal, I took the trade, I had my stop, I got my target, I'm finished. So if you've already traded 3 or 4 times using just a roadmap, please consider stopping for the day. There's no need to overtrade. If you want to continue trading, use the Sonic system with the roadmap or the Trade Scalper and really see if there's anything conflicting. The goal is to make sure that we have 1 or 2 or 3 things that are in the same direction, and the roadmap helps you filter out manipulation. Get your free trial of the roadmap by visiting daytradetowin.com. Join the live trading room as well as the live training, and I'll see everyone in class. Want to learn more? Visit daytradetowin.com and get started with a free member account, which includes access to our trials, including the ABC software. Start learning the right way by using price action and avoid using conventional indicators. We offer unique strategies and proprietary software, including the Sonic system. Join Accelerated Mentorship and get instant access to all our software. Join our family of traders and let's get you set up in the next training.